Letter A. A sounds ah, ah, ah. Speak with me. A sounds ah, ah for apple, ah for ant, ah for alligator, and ah for anchor. Letter B. B sounds b, b, b. Speak with me. B sounds b, b for bat, b for boy, b for ball, b for bird. Letter C. C sounds k, k, k. Speak with me. C sounds k, k for cow, k for cat, k for calculator, k for cup. Letter D. D sounds d, d, d. Speak with me. D sounds d, d for dog, d for drum, d for dress, d for dance. Letter E. E sounds eh, eh, eh. Speak with me. E sounds eh, eh for elephant, eh for eagle, eh for enjoy, eh for eggplant. Letter F. F sounds f, f, f. Speak with me. F sounds f, f for fish, f for flower, f for fan, f for fountain. Letter G. G sounds g, G sounds g. Sometimes G sounds j, G sounds j. Speak with me. G for guitar, G for girl, G for gift, J for giraffe. Letter H. H sounds h, h, h. Speak with me. H sounds h, h for horse, h for house, h for heart, h for a hippopotamus. Letter I. I sounds E, I sounds I. Sometimes I sounds I sounds I. Speak with me. E, E for ice, E for idea, I for island, I for iguana. Letter J. J sounds j, j, j. Speak with me. J sounds j, j for jelly, j for jump, j for jaguar, j for jug. Letter K. K sounds k, k, k. Speak with me. K sounds k, k for kite, k for king, k for key, k for kangaroo. Letter L. L sounds l, l, l. Speak with me. L sounds l, l for lion, l for leaf, l for love, l for light. Letter M. M sounds m, m, m. Speak with me. M sounds m, m for monkey, m for mountain, m for magic, m for mind. Letter N. N sounds n, N, N. Speak with me. N sounds N. N for nest. N for night. N for number. N for nose. Letter O. O sounds O. 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 Speak with me. O sounds O. O for owl. O for orange. O for open. O for ocean. Letter P. P sounds P. 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 P for penguin. P for play. P for punch. P for puppy. Letter Q. Q sounds quo. 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 Speak with me. Q sounds quo. Quo for queen. Quo for quilt. Quo for quiet. Quo for quick. Letter R. R sounds R. 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 R for rabbit. R for rain. R for rainbow. R for river. Letter S. S sounds S. 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 S for snake. S for snail. S for star. S for sun. Letter T. T sounds D. 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 Speak with me. T sounds D. T for tiger. T for tree. T for trunk. T for treasure. U. U sounds A. U sounds A. Sometimes it sounds U. 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 Speak with me. A for umbrella. U for unicorn. U for universe. U for uniform. Letter V. V sounds W. 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 Speak with me. W for violin. W for van. W for vase. W for vegetable. Letter W. W sounds W. 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 Speak with me. W for whale. W for wind. W for wish. W for wonder. Letter X. X sounds X. 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 Speak with me. X for xylophone. X for Xmas tree. X for Xbox. X for X-ray. Letter Y. Y sounds Y. 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 Y for yak. Y for yacht. Y for yo-yo. Y for yummy. Letter Z or letter Z. Z sounds Z. 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 Speak with me. Z for zebra. Z for zipper. Z for zoo. Z for zero.
Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe.